콩나물 기르기 솔솔 자라라. 데이 2 콩나물 기르기 솔솔 자라라. My goodness. See? Hi guys, Saturday morning. In the morning I decided to go outside and walk. I came here just for a walk. So hard. Luckily there is a mountain around my neighborhood, so I'm here to just walk. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Life is getting prettier when I walk, so just enjoy this time. Wow, oh, amazing outside. When I walk in the forest, I used to listen to some music, but one day I realized without music, it is much better when you walk in the forest because you can listen to birds singing and you can also hear some nature sound of nature. Wow, please get some fresh air. On my way home, I was craving some pumpkin porridge, so I just stopped by Costco and I got it. 호박죽. I'm so happy. 호박죽. Let me try. Wow. Let me try this. So creamy.